War Eagle Future Engineers, my name is Winton and I'm studying Industrial and Systems Engineering at Auburn University. Today we're going to be making a snowstorm in a jar. For this activity, you will need a clear jar, baby oil, water, white paint, and Alka-Seltzer. To begin, fill 1/4 of the clear jar with water. Mix 1 tablespoon of white paint in the water until it dissolves. Fill the remaining 3/4 of the clear jar with baby oil. Break up an Alka-Seltzer tablet into small pieces and then drop them into the jar. The bubbles will form immediately. Now you can sit and enjoy watching your snowstorm. This activity helps us understand how different substances, like oil and water, interact. Chemical engineers often work with immiscible liquids and find ways to separate or stabilize them. Immiscible liquids are liquids that don't mix. The bubbles created by the Alka-Seltzer demonstrate how a gas can be released during a chemical reaction. This activity helps us understand how chemical reactions create movement, much like how engineers design systems in factories, cars, or even oil rigs. Thanks for watching, and War Eagle!